That's a good question. Actually, when you're looking at commodity businesses, then I think you have to understand cost curves. You have to understand where they are on the cost curve. You have to have some understanding of kind of what are normalized commodity prices and some commodity prices under different scenarios. So I think you have to understand those facets of macro. But you don't need to understand a whole lot beyond that. I mean, I think that, in my investment in zinc, for example, I understand cost curves well. And I have some understanding of what drives zinc prices and such, but I don't have a very good understanding of that. So I think that there is a decent chance in the next few years that we might get significant movement upwards in zinc prices. But the thesis doesn't rest on that. If that happens, we will make out quite well. But I think our investment probably works out even if that doesn't happen. And so that was fine. The more you're depending on a rise in prices, the better your understanding needs to be on why that is absolutely assured to happen.